guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and I'm here with
Kathy, her mom and partner in crime, and we're gonna make a really cool soap today. Is our pumpkin spice soap that we made last year, but it was a little bit different this year. We are making a really cool one. It's gonna have little pumpkins on top and little leaves that we made of soap too. So let's go on and let's do it.
Let's Get Soaping.
Alrighty. Okay, so today we're gonna make a pumpkin inspired soap for fall, and we're gonna make our pumpkin spice soap. It's gonna be different than the one we made last year. It's a new design and new fragrance oil that we got from Brambleberry, and I mixed some colors over here. I'm gonna show you which one we're gonna be using. So let me go and get some. Okay, we're gonna use titanium dioxide. We're gonna have a base of white, almost kind of creamy right here. We're gonna use that. We're gonna use Brambleberry cappuccino mica. Over here we're gonna do something in the middle. Then I'm gonna use some of the copper sparkle mica too from Brambleberry. And this one is Mad Oils, that now is called the Mad, what is it called now? Mad
Micas.
Mad Micas, that's Kelsey's correcting me and she's right. And it's the black iron oxide right in here. And then I mixed this over here, this really cool orange. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if the camera, it gives you the right color, but it has, it's a mix of Nurture Soap, Lemon Drop Mica, and Brambleberry, what is it called? Brambleberry Yellow Oxide Pigment, and also I have the Nurture Soap Orange Vibrance Mica Powder that I think is fantastic. Let me show you what that looks like. Look at this baby. Isn't that cool? I love it. I think it looks too kind of yellows in the camera, but it's actually a really vibrant orange. So we're going to use this one too. Alright, so let's go and mix our oils and start making this soap there. So what we have in here, we have palm oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of castor oil for extra bubbly soap. Okay, and I forgot to tell you guys before, but I made those really cute pumpkins and leaves that we're gonna put on top, and we're gonna pipe the top. Different piping this time. We'll show you what we're gonna do today. It's really cool. It's gonna be fantastic. So let me start by mixing my oils with the kaolin clay. I'm gonna use a little bit of kaolin clay. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna mix the oils a little bit. And I'm gonna put my kaolin clay in there. Mix it before I put my live water in there. That's just the way I do it. Maybe somebody else does it differently, but that's the way I like doing it. Because it mixes, oops, sorry about that. It mixes really, really well with the oils like this. Alright, now that I mixed the clay in there, I am going to put the lye in. Alrighty done. And there you go. Now we're going to mix it till it reaches a very light trace, okay? Alrighty done. Let's start it. Okay, so I'm going to split my butter in, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, okay? Alright. Okay, so let me mix the white first, and then we go from there. We'll mix all the other ones. gonna put my fragrance oil and my white one here first, because that's the one I'm gonna do first. Gonna mix it up. I know you guys can't see me, but that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna move these actually so I can show you what I'm doing. So I am mixing the fragrance oil. It smells just like fall. Very fall. Right, Kelsey? Alright, so now we're going to have this stay a little bit until it gets a little bit, not tough, but kind of like settles down a little bit. I'm going to clean up here, and then we're going to do the piping.
Okay.
Alright, we're back. We got the piping ready to go, and it's a little thick. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna do a little kind of like little kisses like this. That's what I call them. Okay, now I'm gonna put those beautiful embeds on the little pumpkins right on top of it. Okay, for our pumpkin spice, I'm gonna put one here, and I'm gonna go and put another one right here. Okay, now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this beautiful cappuccino mica diluted with some oil here. Some of what I used, I think I used rice bran oil, okay? Just a little bit over here, like a little drizzle, like chocolate. Okay, sorry, we're back. Our camera was the memory was full, so we're gonna do this very, very fast. This is what the soaps look really close. The two beautiful soap look like up close. We did the mica drizzle, and we did a little bit of glitter, really sparkle mica, and with some little tiny bit of orange mica there. Okay, so this is what they look like. Okay, hi everyone. We're back to cut this beautiful loaf here, our pumpkin spice soap. So let's see what it looks inside, because I am very curious too. Okay, let's find out, because I don't want to make a mistake like last time. I mean, I measured these, so hopefully they're gonna be. Oh, I'll tighten my wire again. Alright, so let's see the first slice. Ooh, look at that. What do you think, Elsie? That's what I wanted. Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay, this is what it looks like inside, the first slice. What do you think, Elsie?
It's amazing.
Yeah, so the little dip. Kind of like a, like a dessert kind of thing. Let's put this over here. Alright. Clean up the little wire, tighten it up, because I forgot to. It's just beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go and finish this loaf. And then do the other ones. And I think that's pretty cool. Everything worked out really, really well. The design and also the bar size and everything. I am really pleased with this one. So I'm just going to go and finish this up. And there you go. This is the final product. That is our pumpkin spice soap cut at the inside. It's pretty cool. I think myself it's pretty cool. The two loaves were a little bit different. If you can notice, this one here has, it almost looks like a pumpkin face there, doesn't it, Kelsey?
Yeah.
It does. I didn't even mean to do that, but that's pretty cool. And then the other one, I'm gonna move the camera to show you guys. Again, this one over here is a little bit different. It's more like it looks like a dip in a chocolate lake or something like that. But it's a little bit different. And the top is just gorgeous. I'm going to take the camera off my tripod here and show you closer. Okay, it'll be just a second. Okay, there you go. I'm going to show it to you very close over here. See that? That looks like almost like a smiley face, like a weird there, kind of funny. Or Kelsey says it looks like latte. I don't want to say that word latte. I don't like it. It's a pumpkin spice latte. It's a cafe latte con pumpkin spice. And this one over here is a little bit different. Like that one looks like a face. That's so funny. Looks like a face right there. This is gonna be ready the 3rd week of September for Halloween. So if you want a bar, just check our Etsy store or come to see us at the market. Alright, there you go. Anyway, let me get another shot close here. So if you guys liked this video, do you want to see more of these? Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be making a lot more soap videos. And because Christmas is coming up, we are gonna make a lot of Christmas soaps. Not so necessarily Christmas themed, but we're gonna make Christmas soaps for, really cool ones with Christmas scents maybe. I don't know if we're gonna do a lot of eye tops, like this one over here, and maybe different ones, with little designs and stuff like that. So if you want to do that, just subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you so much for watching.